Our next group had a theme they want me to read, but they're coming in from the group No Te Here, O Te Hiro'a. Let's welcome couple number 287. Our theme today is Te Nave Nave O Te Here, the pleasure of love. Let us dance joyfully and with one voice, let's glorify the gods. Let's praise our country's legendary name and its summits. Where the sun rises and where the gods stand, let's chant the riddle that arouse our sense of belonging. The intoxicating voice of the mountains will lavish your love. May Tahiti in its wealth be a heritage for the generations. Let it live and let it last forever. Maururu Roa. Ladies and gentlemen, couple number 287.